What is the sense that you get from the current market trading setup? We saw the US markets also now coming under pressure of the tariff talk in the US, and that's why there is some talk about US recessionary concerns again emerging after some 1 or 2 years. How big a concern could that be for emerging markets like India?
Uh, yeah, thank you for having me on the show. I think, yeah, sentiment-wise for equity markets, it's a pretty big blow. But if you look at US, I think largely it's something that's already stagnating at somewhere around 1%. The sheer size of it is important. I think, again, technical recessions are not that much of a problem. But if this kind of tariff issue continues longer, I think this conservatism could lead to a global dampener for
Hmm.
global trade. That is something that is certainly negative. But again, I'm of the view that most tariffs usually find a way around, and I don't think it will be more than lip service. So they might come up. You might have a 3 to 4 month kind of period where the logistics are rearranged. But beyond that, yeah, for the US, for temporary period of time, if inflation does go up for most of the production, basic production, base metals, etc., I think that could create a bit of ruckus there. And we have already seen a softening of that stand because now they're realizing that there could be counter tariffs also. It's not a standalone game. So I think conservatism at the global point is not good for the global economies. For everyone, it is going to have be counterproductive. The faster the larger companies, larger countries realize this, the better. So I think, yeah, could be some short-term pain for the US particularly. But how much will it dampen global growth? I think when you're just growing at 1.5% at most, I don't think you have a major weightage. So I think the growth was primarily coming from countries like China and India. I think India will continue to grow. Next quarter onwards, we will see much more
Yeah.
improvement. So I think that should counterbalance it. And I don't think this tariff thing is going to get prolonged. And even if it does get prolonged in some spaces, I think largely you can expect that, over the next 2, 3 months, logistics and trade rebalances to different routes and largely have very negligible impact on actual economy.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.